Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need to confirm eligibility first. Check subscribers and shorts or watch hour thresholds, then verify your identity. Once done, enable two-step verification to secure access. Next, open YouTube Studio and go to Monetization. Follow prompts to set country, accept terms, and connect AdSense. Make sure your channel complies with community guidelines and copyright rules before applying. This gets you into the application flow immediately. Don't pause. Complete each form field accurately to avoid delays. In YouTube Studio, start the application and answer eligibility questions. Attach your AdSense account when prompted. Provide full legal name, payment details, and any required tax forms. Mistakes here block payouts. While waiting for review, audit your videos. Remove or edit clips with copyright claims, policy violations, or reused content issues. Once you submit, monitor the Monetization tab for status changes and email alerts. If you must reapply, fix flagged content, then resubmit promptly to minimize downtime. After submission, expect a manual review. Times vary, so continue producing compliant shorts to keep momentum. If approved, confirm AdSense payout threshold and set up payment method. Watch your first payment cycle. If denied, read the rejection reason in Studio, remove problematic content, or dispute incorrect claims if applicable. One key troubleshooting tip: if your application stalls, check AdSense account status and fix any verification holds. Clearing that often resolves stalled monetization approvals and speeds up re-review.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.